Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you saw in thumbnail, today's video is dedicated to unlock a smartphone pin pattern and password. And if you are watching this video, then I am sure, my friend, your phone has been locked due to forget pattern, pin, password lock. So don't worry about that and watch this video till the end. Your smartphone will be unlocked completely. And if my previous video didn't work on your phone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry, my friend. This method what I am going to give you in this video, that is fully certified and fully verified by the service center, and at the end of this video your phone will get unlocked. Okay, further in this video I will also give you some important tricks why sometime your phone could not unlock by these tricks. I will also explain it in my this video. So my friend, before revealing this method, there are some important things that you have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone should battery charge at least 30%. My friend, you can see my phone's battery is 63% charged, so don't worry for this. I am going to unlock this phone without any problem. Okay, but if your phone is batteries is less than 30%, then it may be possible your phone's data like photos, video can be deleted. So kindly charge your phone before using this method. And if your phone is not charged at least 30%, you can connect your charger at the time of unlocking this method. So one of the most important thing I would like to tell you, my friend, this method is updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked this trick, then take the help of my upcoming video or old video. For this you must subscribe to the channel, and if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like, and this give us lot of encouragement for make the further video these type of technical issue, my friend. So first of all, whenever your phone locked due to forget pin, pattern, password, so you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind, my friend. Watch this video till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your mobile phone by fully learning this method mentioned in it and applying it to your locked smartphone. So there are some major important things you will have to follow before unlocking this method. So firstly, your phone should be completely on offline mode. It means your phone's telecommunication network and any type of Wi-Fi network should be completely closed. You can see here, my friend, my phone's Wi-Fi network has been showing in my phone. So firstly, I will have to off this Wi-Fi network. For this I will have to convert my phone on airplane mode or flight mode. So simply you will have to slide your slider downside. You will get here, there is an option of airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. So simply click on this option. Your phone will get on offline mode. Now you can see all the network of your phone like telecommunication network, Wi-Fi network has been closed now. Now the second and the most important thing, my friend, you have to do, all the application which were running before your phone was locked should be closed. Generally it's not possible before your phone unlocked, but there is a secret code. Generally these secret code used in service center nowadays for closing all the running application. Okay, so I'm going to give you this secret code. So how will you dial this secret code? Simply you can see here, there is an option of an emergency call option, my friend. So simply click on this emergency call option. After clicking on this emergency call option, just a minute, why isn't this working? Just a minute, my friend, hold it. Now you can see there is an option of emergency call option. Now I'm going to click on this option. After clicking on this option, my friend, you will get a such type of page. You can see here there is a dialing pad. So now I'm going to give you the secret code. You can also take a screenshot for remember it, because this secret code generally updates within 2 or 3 days. Okay, if this secret code works and your phone get unlocked, then please like this video and subscribe my channel for the further technical issue. And if your phone could not unlock by this secret code, then subscribe this channel for the upcoming videos, because this secret code generally update in 2 or 3 days. Okay, so this secret code is note down this secret code: star has 888, then star, then 523, then 4, then finally click on hash button. After clicking on hash button, my friend, you will have to call on this number and you will get a pop-up of a call failed message. So ignore this with the OK option. Again do this process, my friend, 3 times, and this is the last time. 3 times has been completed. Now what you have to do, my friend, now you will have to go on the engineers mode. There is also a USSD number which goes to the engineers mode, or it's also known as master unlocking mode. So this secret code number is star hash 899 and hash. After clicking on hash, you can see there is a page appears on my phone display, that is engineers mode page or master unlocking page. Okay, now you can see there are lots of options from top to bottom. You can see there is an option of a software version. This is the main option. You have to click on this option. After clicking on this option, you can get here lots of options from top to bottom. You can see here there is an option at the first number, model number. It's your phone's model number. You don't have to go with this option. You will have to go with the option Android version 12. It may be possible your phone shows here Android version 10, Android version 11, Android version 13. So if your phone version is showing here Android version 13, then you will have to click on this option 13 times. And if your phone showing here Android version 12, then you will have to click on this option 12 times. So I'm going to click on this option 12 times, but you will have to click this option rapidly. Like this, count with me: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 12. Okay, now the first step has been completed, my friend. The second step is you will have to go with the back button. When you go with the back button, you will get to the previous page, and there is an option above the software version. You can see here there is an option of a manual test. So simply click on manual test option. When you click on simply manual test option, you will get a such type of page. Now you will have to simply slide your page right side like this and reach to the option that is other. In other option, you will get a 5 type of option. You can see here there is an option at the 4th number, database version. It's also known as generally mainboard version. It may be possible your phone shows here mainboard version, so don't worry about that. Both the version has the same function. Okay, so simply click on this option 7 times. This is the third step. What you have to do with this method. So simply I'm going to click on this option 7 times, my friend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, you will have to click on this option rapidly. Okay, now the third step has been completed. Now what is the fourth step, my friend? The fourth step is you can see here there is an option of a read write important log test. Now you will have to go with this option, read write and important log test. So simply click on this option. When you will click on this option, you will get a such type of page. You will ask to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm this option. You will have to cancel this option at first time, and again the second time you will have to also cancel it, and the third time you will have to cancel it. But at the fourth time, my friend, you will have to confirm with confirm option with the OK button. Okay, now I have give the access of OK button. Now my all the forgotten password, pin and pattern are on reconstruction mode. Okay, now this was the very most important step, so be careful about this step. Now I am going to give you the last step, which is very most important. Okay, so be careful and be punctual for this step, and don't skip any step. If you are skipping any step, then your phone is not going to unlock. So if you're be careful for the every step. So now the last and the final step, you will have to simply slide your phone left side. You can see here you will reach to the device debugging page. You can see there are lots of options in device debugging page, but you will have to go with the option of a sensor self-test and calibration option. You can see here there is an option of a sensor self-test and calibration. So simply you will have to click on this sensor self-test and calibration option, my friend. So simply click on this sensor self-test and calibration option. You will get a 2 type of option. You can see here operation not started has been written in the first option, and the second option is also showing the operation not started. Now what you have to do, you have to simply start these operations, and you will have to click on these options until you get a single test pass message. Okay, so now I'm going to click on this option. You can see here test started message has appeared at my phone, but test passed message didn't show here. So you will have to clicking on these options until you get a test pass message. Okay, so now I'm clicking on these options regularly to get the test passed message. So this process is time taking process, my friend, so keep patience and keep clicking on these options. Yeah, my friend, you can see there is a single test pass message has been appeared on the first option. So the last and the final step has been completed. Now generally I have to check whether my phone is unlocked or not. So what we have to do for it, we have to simply go to the bottom of the phone. You can see here there is an option of a home button. So simply you will have to click on home button. After clicking on home button, you can check whether your phone is unlocked or not. So my friend, you can see here my phone has been completely unlocked and all the data and all the videos and application are as it is as in my phone. So if your phone is unlocked with this video, then like this video and comment me if your phone is not unlocked. My team will further explain you how to unlock with the next secret code. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.